The system of civil services had been introduced into India by A. Lord Ripon, B. Lord Dalhousie, C. Lord Bentinck, D. Lord Hastings. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, लॉर्ड बेंटिक। The upliftment of the backward classes had been the prime concern of the A. आर्य समाज, B. प्रार्थना समाज, C. सत्यशोधक समाज, D. रामकृष्ण मिशन। इसका राइट आंसर है सी, सत्यशोधक समाज। On cabinet mission dash observed the proposals preserve the essential unity of India, which threatened by the dispute between two major communities, A. Lord Wavell, B. Nehru, C. Patel, D. Mahatma Gandhi। इसका राइट आंसर है ए, लॉर्ड वेवल। Who was the author of the book My Experiment with Truth? A. Aurobindo, B. Tilak, C. Gandhi, D. Vinoba। इसका राइट आंसर है सी, गांधी। Which of the following pair of author and book is incorrectly matched? A. Rabindranath Tagore, Gora, B. Dadabhai Nauroji, Poverty and the Un-British Rule in India, C. Deenbandhu Mitra, Neel Darpan, D. Raj Siddharth, History of India। इसका राइट आंसर है डी, आर सी दत्त, हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया। The Simon Commission was boycotted by Indians because A. It sought to curb civil liberties of the Indians, B. It proposed to partition India, C. It was an all-white commission without Indian representation, D. It proposed measures to contain nationalism। इसका राइट आंसर है सी, इट वॉज एन ऑल वाइट कमीशन विदाउट इंडियन रिप्रेजेंटेशन। थ्रू विच प्रिंसिपल डिवाइस डिड महात्मा गांधी स्ट्राइव टू ब्रिज इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटीज? ए. एबोलिशन ऑफ मशीनरी, बी. एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ विलेज इंडस्ट्रीज, सी. एडॉप्शन ऑफ नॉन वायलेंस, डी. ट्रस्टीशिप थ्योरी। इसका राइट आंसर है डी, ट्रस्टीशिप थ्योरी। Who had observed that good government was never a good substitute for self-government? A. Swami Vivekanand, B. Ramakrishna Paramhans, C. Swami Dayanand, D. Aurobindo Ghosh। इसका राइट आंसर है सी, स्वामी दयानंद। Shivagiri pilgrimage was conceived by Dash and T. K. Ketan writer. It was duly approved by Gurudevan on January 1928. A. Vallabhesari Govindan Vadyar, B. T. K. Madhavan, C. Rajaram Mohan Roy, D. Govindan Vadyar। इसका राइट आंसर है ए, वल्लभेश्वरी गोविंदन वैद्यार। The social reformer of Maharashtra who became famous by his pen name Lok Hitwadi was A. Atmaram Pandurang, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C. Gopal Hari Deshmukh, D. K. S. Chaplunkar। इसका राइट आंसर है सी, गोपाल हरि देशमुख। The Tomar Rajputs were defeated in the middle of the 12th century by the Chauhans of Dash, A. Ayodhya, B. Ajmer, C. Gwalior, D. Dwarka। इसका राइट आंसर है बी अजमेर। The state from among the following which was not annexed by the doctrine of lapse is A. Bhagat, B. Gwalior, C. Sambalpur, D. Satara। इसका राइट आंसर है बी ग्वालियर। The headquarters of the Ramakrishna Mutt and Mission established by Vivekanand in 1898 are at A. Kanyakumari, B. Bellur, C. Hyderabad, D. Murshidabad। इसका राइट आंसर है बी बेल्लूर। Who said Sir Syed was an ardent reformer and he wanted to reconcile modern scientific thought with religion by rationalistic interpretations and not by attacking basic belief. He was anxious to push new education. He was in no way communally separatist. Repeatedly, he emphasized that religious differences should have no political and national significance। A. इंदर कुमार गुजराल, बी. जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सी. महात्मा गांधी, डी. मोहम्मद इकबाल। इसका राइट आंसर है बी. जवाहरलाल नेहरू। High courts were established in Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras in 1935, 1919, 1862, 1861। इसका राइट आंसर है सी. 1862। Prior to the Indian Association, Shishir Kumar Ghosh, along with Shambhu Charan Mukherjee, founded DAS in Calcutta on 25 September 1875। A. The India League, B. Indian National Congress, C. Madras Mahajan Sabha, D. Bombay Presidency Association। इसका राइट आंसर है ए. द इंडिया लीग। The Special Congress session held in 1920 at Calcutta was presided over by A. Nehru, B. Lala Lajpat Rai, C. Bose, D. Gandhi। इसका राइट आंसर है बी. लाला लाजपत राय। Who among the following had during his reign introduced a new calendar, a new system of coinage and new scales of weights and measures? A. Tipu Sultan, B. Murshid Quli Khan, C. Raghunath Rao, D. Lord Cornwallis। इसका राइट आंसर है ए. टीपू सुल्तान। Lahore was Ranjit Singh's political capital. Which city was called his religious capital? A. Amritsar, B. Anandpur Sahib, C. Gujranwala, D. Peshawar। इसका राइट आंसर है ए. अमृतसर। In 1913, the Guru founded an ashram at Dash called the Advaita Ashram। A. Vaikom, B. Palurithi, C. Aluva, D. Tachur। इसका राइट आंसर है सी. अलुवा।